Tesla CEO Elon Musk has affirmed that the electric automaker will begin tooling for the up-and-coming model, expected to enter creation in 2020 at Nevada's Gigafactory. The forthcoming model will be a SUV dependent on the 3 demonstrate car and was at first conjectured to go marked down in 2019, however has not been deferred until the second 50% of a year ago. Since the model will be based on the Model 3, the expense of the model will be generously lower than the Model 3 line in Fremont, and the creation slope ought to likewise be quicker, Tesla said in letter to financial specialists distributed days back. The creation of the model at the Gigafactory, which right now delivers batteries and different parts for existing Tesla models, is relied upon to significantly streamline the procedure gathering batteries that won't need to be transported to another site in California for conclusive get-together. The beginning of creation of the model likewise implies that there will be beginnings after 2020, something the organization has been anticipating some time as the Fremont plant approaches its ability roof. When it goes at a bargain, the Tesla models from the Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Volkswagen, which are all during the time spent taking off electric SUVs and hybrids. The test is that the model will sit beneath the Model X with regards to estimating. A beginning cost of $40,000 is normal by Tesla spectators, in any event for the base model, which will be sold sooner or later in the generation cycle alongside performance and longer-run variations, per Tesla's new lineup structure. The organization's remarks in regards to imparting 75% of its segments to the Model 3 represent themselves. Tesla is going for section-level purchasers and needs to contend with fuel-engined hybrids while sparing considerable advancement and creation costs because of the greatest unification with the Model 3. In actuality, the getting teeth issues of the Model 3 will have understood a major piece of Model Y creation increase. At any rate, that is the thing that Tesla trusts. This year ought to be a really energizing one for Tesla, the automaker said in a letter to speculators following the arrival of Q4 2018 outcomes. Display 3 will turn into a worldwide item, the gainfulness of our business should turn out to be economically positive, our new Gigafactory Shanghai should begin delivering autos and we will begin tooling for Model Y creation. As huge as the dispatch of the Model Y will be for the electric automaker in 2020, one of the primary objectives of 2019 will be to expand Model 3 creation so as to fulfill requests in new markets outside the US. Tesla's previously mentioned Gigafactory Shanghai is required to fill in as the fundamental creation offers for China later on. However, until that happens, the US manufacturing plant should serve Europe and China sooner rather than later. Show 3 creation volumes in Fremont ought to step-by-step keep on developing all through 2019 and achieve a supported rate of 7,000 units for every week before the year's over, the automaker said in a letter to speculators. We are wanting to keep on creating Model 3 vehicles at most extreme generation rates all through 2019. Comprehensive of Gigafactory Shanghai, where we are at first going for 3,000 Model 3 vehicles for each week. We will likely have the capacity to deliver 10,000 vehicles for every week on a supported premise. Notwithstanding sudden difficulties with Gigafactory Shanghai, we are focusing on annualized Model 3 yield more than 500,000 units at some point between Q4 of 2019 and Q2 of 2020.